Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with mid-mounting Imagine module design. On this basis, it replaced the original ring with a new pillow shape form. Breaking through a single design language, the pillow shape is a shape with a square in a circle and a circle in a square. It has a unique covers and shapes. So Magic 6 Pro features a 6.8 inches Full HD Plus covered OLED LTPO display with a resolution of 2800x1280 pixel 453 ppi density. Support dynamic refresh rate adjustment of 120 Hz and also support HDR10 Plus display with 100% DCP3 white color garment coverage. The display achieves an impressive peak brightness of 1600 nits and a local peak brightness of 5000 nits. So its first domestic screen to include all-day low-power LTPO display technology with 360 Hz overlooking display and support for Dolby Vision. Additionally, the display is protected by double Honor Jurhino glass with 10-fold anti-drop rating for enhanced durability. Performance-wise, Honor Magic 6 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 source and certified for long-term smoothness and all-scale smoothness by Swiss SGS. It runs on the new Honor Magic OS 8.0, which features AI-driven intent recognition for seamless human-machine interaction. Pro comes with triple camera setup including 50-megapixel ultra-dynamic main camera with rapid and Periscope focusing, intelligent variable aperture f1.4, f2.0 for excellent low-light performance and OIS. There is also a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens which supports 122-degree ultra-wide viewing angle and 180 million ultra-high-pixel periscope telephoto lens with 1.49-inch outsole, f2.6 aperture, for 2.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. So the pill-shaped front camera setup includes 50-megapixel plus stereo sensor. The cameras offer three distinct image styles: reverse, natural, and texture. So Magic 6 Pro stands out with its support for Honor Angyang communication, enabling direct satellite service connection to Chengtung satellites. This allows for real-time voice communication and two-way SMS and boasts the industry's fastest satellite connection speed with 14% improvement in speed and 15% reduction in standby power consumption. So moreover, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is compatible with major global 5G frequency bands and supports Google Mobile Services GMS. Magic 6 Pro also offers comprehensive eye protection with 5 advanced technology, including ultra-high frequency PWM dimming at 4320 Hz, natural light eye protection, sleep aid display, hardware level video light reduction, and natural color display. It has received certification for eye protection including German Rhine TUV Global Eye Protection 3.0 and Vico A+ visual comfort testing. The device has also received the world first Swiss SGS 5-star anti-drop certification for multiple scanning, ensuring its durability. 5600 mAh large battery with 18 watt fast charging, 66 watt fast wireless charging. The color option is lake blue, colored purple, Chilean snow, berlin green, and velvet black. 12 GB RAM with 2 5GB RAM storage, price at 5699 yuan. Open sales in China are scheduled to begin on January 18, 2024, while international pricing and availability will be detailed at a later stage. So take care. Bye.